Sanibonani ngani zakwethu, kusayo uNtuthu wakhuzwalo ubuhle bebhungu namanje busayididi intombi. Bengizocela ukuthi ingane zakwethu ni-subscribe kwe-channel, ni-like bese niyakhomenta. Njengoba nanazi ukuthi USomething Soweto bekade umculo bevelele endimeni yomculo osemkhakheni we-Afropop. Bekade nje umculo ovelele bedumile kakhulu, and kune-video nesithombe ake wasiposta la kuvela khona ukuthi esimeni akekho kahle hle esimeni sempilo nje nasemzimbeni uyabonakala ukuthi ukhandlekile, and kube kuningi-ke nokuphawula kwabantu. Baphawula ngendlela abaphawula ngazo, abanye bamcelela umkhuleko, bamnxusela ukuthi hawu uzoba right, abanye bamgxeka bathi kubalulekile ukuthi empilweni uma impilo esihamba kahle uzinakekele wena kanye nempilo yakho. Ube seyiphendulela yena uSomething Soweto ukuthi kahle hle yena akagula, akekho right, kodwa-ke nayo ividiyo awukuzibambele emlaleli eqini.
Sanibonani, my name is Something Soweto. Public announcement. I just wanted to address the recent thing that's happening about like people talking about my weight and stuff. That's what I feel to like and you got wrong, right? I am going through a lot, and I just wanted to thank everyone who sent a prayer, who sent like, you know, loving message and support. I really appreciate it. But Aniko right also, like I'm not dying. Like I'm okay. Like I'm coolly. I'm coolly. Like I've just changed my lifestyle. Kunezinto engasazenzi anymore. Like kunezinto engasazidli anymore. Kunezinto engizenzayo every day, like physical activity, physical exertion. Like lezo zinto lezo zenza ukuthi umuntu, you know, ashintshe. So ngishintshile empilweni yami, so that's why I look like this. So bengifuna ukuyaddress lento leyo, and just also to say thank you. Like ngiyabonga. I am going through a lot. Like kunezinye izinto that, you know, I might not talk about because the personal, but you know, it like right now it feels like, you know, the concern and the love like is into that most of us as artists we need, because like sometimes we feel like niyazikhohlwa, you know, we feel like the public iyazikhohlwa, and like, you know, when we go through a lot, like we need the support, we need the love, we need the affection. So ngithanda ukunibonga nonke, you know, everyone who's contributed towards like talking about me and what's happening, and the emails engizitholile, like maningi ama emails amanye ngikwazi nokuphendula ngoba maningi kakhulu, like the messages, the DMs, the calls, you know, like ngiyabonga so much. Like it makes me feel so good to know that you guys care, and I'm okay. Like ngizoba right. I'm not sick, I'm cool, but I am going through a lot. But one thing I can assure is that is that whatever I'm going through, you know that most of us go through, you know. And I just wanted to address that and say thank you so much for the messaging and, you know, the affection, the jokes, you know. It's all good. It's all good. Like ngiyabonga, you know, for inviting me into your conversations. And yeah, thank you. And I'll be fine, because we, you know, like we'll all be fine in the same way that we all go through some things. So yeah, I just wanted to address that. Kamalama something. So it's already 3 minutes. Like it's a whole song at this point. So yeah, look out for the new music that's coming in. The dates, I'm gonna keep on my dates real soon. I will look out for all of that stuff. Ngiyabonga. Thank you for defending me online also. Like lawabang defendayo. Thank you so much. I appreciate everyone. Ngiyabonga. Sharp.